V003B Workspace. To get to the Workspace section, click on the Workspace button. After you click on the button, you will be taken to the Workspace section. In the Workspace section, you can create posts and save them to post at a later time. Decide which social platform you would like to post to by selecting or deselecting the categories on the right. You can choose between Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If posting to Twitter, be sure to limit your word count to Twitter's most updated character limit. Use the Post section on the left to give your post a title. Use the Link section to add any URL that you would like to share as part of your post. This could be a link to a video, blog, landing page, etc. Use the Image section to upload an image with your post. Finally, use the Post Time section to add a date and time. Then click Save to save your post settings. Your saved post will show up on the bottom under the Saved Post section.